Just thought we'd come back to the backside here and take a quick look at Summerbird. He actually worked this past Saturday here at Belmont. 5 furlongs in a minute flat. It was the second fastest of 15 at the distance for the day. And Tim Ice said it was actually one of the best works he's ever had since he's been in training. Tim Ice has been really honest too about when he's been working well and when he hasn't. So it's a lot to be said if he was making a statement along those lines. He's going to have his final work coming up this Saturday here at Belmont. That's on the 26th. We'll try to catch that for you. And then he heads out in the Jockey Club Gold Cup as his next start before the Breeders' Cup Classic, if everything goes according to plan. It's feeding time now, so he's excited waiting for his dinner, but he looks great and definitely not camera shy. Got the Tim Ice saddle towels and all the bandages for Summerbird just here outside the barn. So when he works in the mornings, those are the saddle towels that you would see. Tim Ice's logo, the blue towel with the white eye on it. And Summerbird is actually right near in part of Nick Zito's barn, who of course Nick Zito trained Birdstone, Summerbird's father, who was the last horse in fact to win the Travers and the Belmont Stakes. Funny.